Welcome to English with ML. The alarm clock rings and he wakes up. He gets out of bed. He goes into the bathroom. He uses the toilet. He flushes the toilet. He washes his hands. He brushes his teeth. He shaves his face. He takes a shower. He dries himself with a towel. He brushes his hair. He gets dressed. He makes breakfast. He eats breakfast. He leaves the apartment.